Ever wondered what it's like to immerse yourself in the birthplace of Western civilization and bask in the Mediterranean sun? Welcome to Greece, where ancient history whispers through the ruins, landscapes are adorned with olive groves and vineyards, and the culture, oh the culture, is as vibrant as a Greek summer. From the iconic Parthenon to the serene beaches of Crete, Greece is a destination that promises adventure and discovery at every corner. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the heart of Greece and uncover its hidden gems. Embarking on a journey to Greece requires careful planning, but fear not, we've got you covered. The first thing to consider is the best time to visit. Greece is an all-season destination, but if you're looking for mild weather and fewer crowds, the shoulder seasons of spring and fall are best. Late April to early June or September to October offer a blend of pleasant weather, smaller crowds, and lower prices. Next, let's talk budget. Greece is a destination that can suit a wide range of budgets. For backpackers, expect to spend around 40 to 50 euros a day. This will cover hostel accommodation, local transportation, meals at tavernas, and a few attractions. For those seeking a more luxurious experience, a budget of 200 euros a day will provide top-notch accommodation, gourmet meals, private tours, and more. Now, on to visas. Visitors from many countries, including the United States, Canada, Australia, and most European nations, can enter Greece visa-free for up to 90 days. However, it's always best to check the latest visa requirements with your local Greek embassy or consulate before you travel. When it comes to packing, Greece's climate calls for light, breathable clothing. However, remember to pack a good pair of walking shoes for those cobblestone streets and archaeological sites. And don't forget your swimsuit for those idyllic Greek beaches. Finally, consider learning a few basic Greek phrases. While many Greeks speak English, particularly in tourist areas, knowing how to say hello or thank you in Greek can go a long way in making your trip more enjoyable. Planning your Greek Odyssey may seem daunting, but with a little preparation, you can ensure a smooth and memorable journey. From deciding when to go to setting a budget, understanding visa requirements, packing the right gear, and learning a bit of the local language, you're setting yourself up for a fantastic adventure. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to experiencing the wonders of Greece. Navigating the sprawling landscapes and bustling cities of Greece can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Let's start with public transportation. Greece boasts an efficient and comprehensive network of buses, trams, trains, and ferries, making it easy to hop from one city to the next or across the myriad of islands. In the cities, you'll find the metro system to be your best friend. It's affordable, reliable, and a great way to avoid traffic. And don't forget about the taxis. They're abundant and relatively inexpensive, especially when shared. For a more personalized experience, consider renting a car. This gives you the freedom to explore the less traveled roads and hidden gems that Greece has to offer. But be aware that Greek roads can be narrow, winding, and sometimes steep. It's recommended to get an international driving permit before your trip. And remember, in Greece, they drive on the right side of the road. For the explorers out there, walking tours are a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local environment. Stroll through the narrow, winding streets of Athens, or hike the rugged trails of Crete. Just remember to wear comfortable shoes and carry plenty of water. Now let's talk about safety. Greece is overall a safe country for travelers. However, like anywhere in the world, it's important to stay vigilant. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas, and be wary of pickpockets. Know the emergency numbers. Dial 100 for police, 112 for an ambulance, and 199 for the fire department. And of course, respect the local customs and traditions. Greeks are known for their hospitality, and showing a little courtesy goes a long way. A simple "efaristo," thank you, or "parakalo," please, can make all the difference. Armed with these navigation tips, you're ready to conquer any Greek city or island. What's a trip to Greece without indulging in its mouth-watering cuisine? Picture this, a plate of moussaka, carefully layered with sautéed eggplant, spiced ground meat, and topped with a creamy bechamel sauce. This hearty dish is a staple of Greek cuisine and a must-try for any food enthusiast. The flavors are rich, the textures diverse, and the experience of savoring it simply unforgettable. Next, imagine biting into a piece of souvlaki. This popular street food, often served with a side of tzatziki sauce and fresh pita bread, is a delightful combination of marinated grilled meat and vibrant fresh vegetables. It's a symphony of flavors, a true embodiment of the Greek spirit. Simple, yet profound. And let's not forget about dolmades, stuffed grape leaves that are a testament to the Greeks' knack for transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Whether filled with rice, herbs, and lemon juice or minced meat, every bite is a surprise, a burst of Mediterranean flavors. Now, for those with a sweet tooth, Greece has a generous offering. Baklava, a sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with honey, is a classic Greek dessert that melts in your mouth, leaving behind a trail of sweet, nutty goodness. But Greek cuisine is not just about the food, it's about where and how you eat. Greeks take their time with meals, treating them as an opportunity to engage in conversations, to laugh, and to enjoy life's simple pleasures. So, when in Greece, do as the Greeks do. Eat at a local taverna, sip on some ouzo, and let the meal stretch for hours. And if you really want to eat like a local, don't forget to try a Greek coffee. It's strong, it's potent, and it's the perfect end to a Greek meal. With a taste of Greek cuisine, your journey becomes a feast for the senses. Greece is more than just a travel destination. It's a vibrant tapestry of culture waiting to be explored. As we delve deeper into this ancient land, we come to the heart of what truly defines Greece, its culture. A melange of music, dance, and festivals, Greek culture is a living testament to the country's rich history and vibrant present. This is where the soul of Greece truly lies. Music is an integral part of Greek life. Whether it's the soulful strains of rembetika, often referred to as the Greek blues, or the lively rhythms of traditional folk music, it's not uncommon to see Greeks break into impromptu song and dance. And speaking of dance, there's nothing quite like witnessing a traditional Greek dance performance. From the graceful sirtaki to the energetic samiko, each dance tells a story, each step a word in the narrative of Greece's past and present. Then, there are the festivals. Greek festivals are a riot of color, music, food, and most importantly, community. Whether it's the Carnival of Patras, the biggest carnival in Greece, or the Easter celebrations, the most important religious festival in the country, these events are a perfect opportunity to experience Greek culture in its most authentic form. Engaging with the local culture is the best way to truly understand and appreciate Greece. But remember, it's important to do so respectfully. Learn a few basic Greek phrases, try to understand the customs and traditions, and always show respect for the local culture and people. As you wander through the cobblestone streets of Greece, immerse yourself in the sounds of bouzouki music wafting from a nearby taverna, savor the flavors of the local cuisine, and join in the festivities. Dance with the locals, sing along to the music, and lose yourself in the enchanting world of Greek culture. By immersing yourself in Greek culture, you become more than a tourist. You become a part of Greece's rich tapestry. As our journey comes to an end, it's clear that Greece is a destination that leaves a lasting impression. Whether it's the sparkling blue waters of the Aegean Sea, the ancient ruins whispering tales of yesteryears, or the mouth-watering flavors of traditional Greek cuisine, the allure of Greece is hard to resist. We started our Odyssey by unraveling the enigma that is Greece, a land of contrast where tradition meets modernity. The richness of Greek history, the vibrant culture, and the breathtaking landscapes all make it a must-visit destination for any travel enthusiast. Next, we delved into the intricacies of planning a trip to this Mediterranean paradise. From choosing the right time to visit to navigating the local transport, from deciding on the must-visit spots to knowing the do's and don'ts, we covered everything to ensure a smooth and memorable journey. We then took a gastronomic tour, indulging in the diverse and delectable Greek cuisine. From the world-famous moussaka to the humble souvlaki, the flavors of Greece are a treat for the senses. Unearthing the vibrant Greek culture was a journey in itself. Traditional music and dance to the iconic Greek mythology, the cultural heritage of Greece is as enriching as it is fascinating. In conclusion, Greece is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. The journey might end here, but the learning never stops. So, are you ready to embark on your own Greek Odyssey? Greece eagerly awaits your arrival. Please show your support by subscribing, liking, and engaging with this YouTube video.